Stop by and take a look at the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.